it's John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I have a customer picking up this brand new 2025 Keystone Springdale 286 BHU today and figured I'd do a quick walk around on it. This is such a cool bunkhouse floor plan. Brought to you by Keystone, our friends over there. Let me go ahead and flip this camera around. So, it does have a length of about 33 feet. It's coming in at about 6,800 pounds, definitely half-ton towable. Sleeps a bunch of people, has an awesome setup for storage and a bunch of other great features such as a tankless water heater. This is 42,000 BTU tankless water heater, set up with 220 watts of solar on a Victron energy system. You can actually link your phone up to this and Bluetooth to it and monitor your charge rate. There's a shutoff for the solar connect, which I'm gonna go ahead and turn on. And then inverter prep as well. So there's a bunch of inverter prepped outlets in the unit that have yellow stickers on them, so you know that you have an outlet that is inverter prepped if it has that sticker. You winterize right here. You can pop that off and get to what you need to winterize. We have our city water connection, black tank flush, fresh water fill here, outside shower, and then right here all your valves for the sewer system. Black tank and gray tank. 50 amp service on this beast. This one has 2 ACs. But the coolest thing about this, here is the bunkhouse in the back. Top bunk here, bottom bunk here. You can actually fold this, which is gonna be really hard to do one-handed. But this pops up, folds in half, kind of accordion style, and shoves up that way. And then there's a little latch on that pole to hold it in place. You need to pop this mattress off here, put it up top, and then it'll all fold right up. And then you get this giant storage compartment back here. Now, I also noticed when I was in here, if you have this back door open, a wonderful breeze blows right through. I would probably try to fashion some kind of screen for it, maybe even. Inverted outlet outside, so you can have your TV running if you want off of the batteries with an inverter if you do choose to put one on there. The outside kitchen has a small capital grill, little mini fridge. Direct entry into the bedroom and direct entry into the main room as well, because the slide out when it's in does block the entryway to the bathroom. I'll show you that in just a second here. Here's a tire link prep cover, so you can pop a Lippert Connect tire link system on there and have your tire pressure monitoring. A small light for the compartment. Let's go ahead and jump into the interior and do a quick walk through here. So once again, 2025 Keystone Springdale 286 BHU. Here is the bunk area. Bunch of clothing storage. You can pop those shelves out if you want and use the curtain rod to store clothes. But I love the open air concept, how it's not closed off. It does have a little privacy curtain if you need it. But 2 nice sized bunks in the back in front of 2 recliners. The TV you can pop right here and put on a nice swing arm mount so it reaches out and faces both the U-shaped dinette and the recliners. Love the color of the furniture. Love the LED lights in the ceiling too. That is really cool. So at night you can pop those on. It gives like a nice ambiance. Right here I was kind of explaining how when the slide out's in, it's going to block the bathroom door. So this has a very deep slide out. As you can see, your fridge is right here. It's a nice big 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator made by GE. Freezer up top, fridge on the bottom. Your thermostat right here. Big farmhouse style sink. I love the decor. The cabinets have this like nice brown outline to them. As I mentioned earlier, we have 2 ACs in this unit. So our main AC right here is ducted. The second AC in the bedroom is a direct dump that just cools off the bedroom for you. And I love that they put these little totes in here. That's really cool. Usually in a lot of campers, this is just an empty space. You would have to go buy some totes yourself and kind of make your storage the way you want it. And I'll tell you what, this little walkway right now is pulling a breeze straight through the storage compartment and right out this door. It feels amazing in here. Little inverter outlet. It has the clothes hamper that goes into the storage compartment, so you can throw dirty clothes in there if you want. There's your yellow sticker for an inverter, 1 on each side. Big old storage compartment here. Now this is shared with the bathroom. So if you open that up, you actually see right into here, but you put towels and such in there. Nice big medicine cabinet. Our tankless water heater control right there. Right now we have it set to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Once again, an inverted outlet. We have our toilet right here. Big old shower, the skylight, and then your vent fan right there as well. Underneath the bed, Big old storage compartment on air struts, which I appreciate, makes it very easy to lift. We have a pocket door for privacy in the bedroom. But like I said, just a real quick walkthrough. I wanted to show this to you guys. You know, I think this is a really cool floor plan. It's an amazing camper for someone just looking to get into it and looking for a nice solution, half-ton towable, get the kids out, go camping, nice starter camper. Oh, and one other cool thing. It's the stove and then a convection microwave / air fryer. Really cool. If you ever had an air fryer, this is great. So what this does too, instead of having an oven here and then also a microwave above, we just have one do-it-all appliance, and then you get the extra storage of having this cabinet here instead of a microwave taking up all that place, all that space, sorry. But yeah, this is the 2025 Keystone Springdale 286 BHU, 33 feet 3 inches. I think it's exactly 68.40 on the weight, if I remember right. Ours on the certified scale comes out a little heavier than the brochure because we have the second AC and some other options on here, but really nice looking unit. The price on it's outstanding as well. Half-ton towable. If you folks want to see one, we're going to have more of them at Apache Village. This one's leaving today though. So if you have any questions, comments, feel free to comment below. My family and I'd love to earn your business. Go one better. Go Apache Village. Have a great day. Thank you.